Come shop with me at Five Below. We'll see if they've got some new arrivals and what kind of great gift ideas we can come up with.
Oh, these are cute. If you're looking for decorative pillows, that one's cute. I think these are like $5. This says 7, but some of them say 5, so you might want to check it out. But I really do like that nutcracker face. So if you're looking for advent calendars, I did find a couple. Here's one from Disney. It's a storybook countdown. And this one says unwrap 24 books. This is cute. That one's listed for $5. I was trying to see if there was anything else that would give it away, but we'll just put that back. And then I also found this one. This is Mystery Countdown Calendar for 12 mystery items. And this is a Stitch one, but this one is noted as 20. Okay, so for $20, let me know if anybody has gotten this, but I'm guessing that would be really good. Oh, and if you haven't found the Dubai or tried the Dubai chocolate, this is by Lindt. This one is $15. I've seen them as high as $25. So for $15, that's pretty good. And that's a great chocolate brand. I have not seen these before, but look at this nutcracker. I'm going to see how tall it is. It is $35. See if it says it on here. 42.5 inches tall. It's really pretty. Oh, this is cute. This is a Hershey's chocolate drink maker. I'll have to come back to the price on it because I'm not seeing it. But this also includes 2 cups and instructions along with the drink maker. And here's another Hershey's item. It's a fondue set. Okay, before I forget to mention it, they have a lot of beautiful gift bags. Look at the size of that one. Okay, here they have mix and match set of pajamas. 2 for $10. So I'll bring one up a little closer so you can see what it looks like. This is really, really soft. Here are the matching bottoms, and here's some striped ones. Then they've got some flannel pants. And here's some that are on hangers. They've got the red and black checkered, and then this plaid one. Here's some other bottoms with different colors. That's very Christmassy and holiday. Oh, these are so fun. So if you haven't seen, I did a little short video taste testing the chocolates against the real donut. I might do that again this year. This is the brownie batter and the cookie butter. This would be a great idea. And then for those who love the Ferrero Rocher chocolates, these are going for $15. And there's 24 pieces in this box. Here's a little cute gift set. This is to the Hershey S'mores. It comes with the 2 cups, marshmallows, chocolate, and then the graham crackers. I was looking for a price and I don't see it, but that's a cute gift idea. This is kind of fun. These are $5 a piece. This is a gingerbread train cookie and then the actual gingerbread house. But this would be fun either to give as a gift or just to kind of get together and do something fun. Look what I found. Okay. Here we have sets that are already put together. You get 3 items. This is the solar flare, body butter, the body wash, and then you also get the body scrub. Okay, and these are listed at $7. Let me put that back. I just popped it off. There we go. Okay, so they also have this one right here. This is Midnight Vibes. This is actually the Brazilian Caramel Dreams. I forgot to mention that. And they've got the Sun Bliss kit. And they even have some sets with body mist. Oh, this is a hair care trio. And these are also going for $7. Here they have some other. These come with a little bag. And these also have hairstyling essentials. That was so fun. I just met somebody.
And to the couple who stopped me to say hello, thank you so much. It meant the world to me. You have no idea how much I appreciated you guys recognizing me and stopping me to say hi.
So these are $5. And these little kits are, this is more like a travel size. I couldn't figure out. It said it has a 4-piece set, but it includes the little travel bag. So again, these items right here are more travel sizes, and these look a little bigger. So these are $7 and these are $5. Any of those would make great gift ideas. Okay, I did find some really pretty glasses. These are called the Sipper Mug. These are also $7, but you can see like a raised embossed design. So here's a swan. Here's some with little hearts on it. And this one back here has little teddy bears on it. And again, these are going for $7. What I do like is that the straw is plastic. It's not glass. I've heard a lot of controversy about the glass. I'm not really sure. I only have one that has a glass straw and I don't use it very often. Or here's one with the bees. So let me know what you guys think as far as the straws are concerned. And here we have some ceramic travel mugs, and these are monogrammed. So that would make a great little gift idea. If you want to create your own gift set, here are the solar flare body scrubs. These are the full size ones, and these are going for $5. And as you can tell, at least in my Five Below, they have quite a selection. And if you want to pair it with a mist, they have the different mist, and they also have the shimmers. These are each $5. I thought this was really fun. Okay, so this is a little mini detangler hairbrush. Comes with this cute little keychain. So this one has a little disco ball on the end of it. They have a pink one, and this one has a little heart on the end of it. And here we have a little gift set with smoke and mirrors. This one comes with 5 items plus a little travel bag, and this one is going for $5. And this does come with a primer, a blush, a highlighter, mascara, and then the sponge. This one's really pretty as well. You can see the shimmer on these. And this one's also going for $5. Okay, here are some fun kits. This is by Smoke and Mirrors, and look at how many different mini nail polishes you get. You actually get 12. And Smoke and Mirrors always tends to have really cool sets. I don't think I've ever seen the lashes, but again, they do have like things like the contours. They do come with their palettes. I think this is sealed. Maybe not. Okay, it's not sealed, so let me open it up. You can see the colors. I actually like this one. So this is Smoke and Mirrors also, and this is a liquid highlighter, a liquid blush, and then also a liquid bronzer. It comes with a little sponge. That one's really pretty. And this one right here is actually $5. That's a great price. And I jumped up really quick to look at the nail polish. That one is also $5. And here's another kit from Smoke and Mirrors. And this is a lip kit. You get 5 lip butter balms. Now they do have other PJs, and these are the bottoms, and these are 10. So this is more like the Barbie. This is Wicked. This is The Nightmare Before Christmas and Elf. So the ones that are I guess licensed, those are 10. And then these other ones that have really cute designs, here are the tops. And then the bottoms, those are each $7. And if you're looking for short pajamas, they also have them, and these are $7 as well. Oh, these are soft. Here's some holiday ones.
Five Below also carries quite a few fragrances, like Kimberly, stilettos. As you can see, some of these bottles are absolutely beautiful. But anyway, I did want to let you know that they do have fragrances as well.
Yeah, I did happen to see these, and these are sweatpants, and they're actually really nice. These are going for $7. They're nice and soft on the inside. So they have these ivory colored ones, and then they have some pink ones, and then they have the sweat shorts. The lounging shorts are going for $7. Then they have matching sweatshirts. Well, they've got these colors here, the dark gray and the gray. Oh, and then they've got some over there. So these are all going for $10. They've got some holiday ones too. Those are going for $10. And then they've got the shorts, and these match as well. You can see the little decorative designs on them. So for less than $20, you have an entire sweatpants outfit. Okay, so this is really fun to see. I am seeing some leg warmers here. These are going for $7. Okay, now here they have some cute slippers. You can see these little, almost like charms. There's a little teddy bear, a heart, and a rose. And again, these are slippers. Here we have some that are kind of like UGG inspired. I believe these are all going for $5 as well. Here's some where you just slip on. These look a little better. Here we go. And then they have some holiday slippers as well. So they do have these really nice puffer bags. These would make a great bag for like traveling. But I do love these little wallets. You get 2 of them, and then you get a keychain. These are super cute. Now I do see a price of $7, so I'm only guessing these are $7 as well. And these you just kind of like clip on them. You see the clips, and then you have the keychain. That's really cute. Okay, so I am in the home section, and look at this mirror. I've seen it before. This is a full-length mirror. Now, granted, this is plastic. Okay, and you cannot forget your little pups. They even have little pet jewelry. How cute is that? These are going for $5. I love this little pearl one. Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. And of course, they have a chain as well. Oh, that's good weight on it. They also have chew toys for them. Man, this is cute Brazilian pup cream. Okay, so this is really nice. It's called a boba tea fridge. And I don't know what they typically run for, but here they're $30. And if you want to create your own gift set, here they have hand soap, shower foam. You can get like a matching one or mix and match. And then they also have body mists. So for about $15, if you grab one of each, and these are full-size items, that would make a great gift idea. Okay, I thought this was really fun. So this is $20, and you actually put this together. It's an espresso machine, 565 pieces. You can see that there. And the water tank disconnects, the espresso handle moves, and it actually spins to grind the beans. How cool is that? That would make a great gift. Okay, I happened to notice that for $7, Smoke and Mirrors put together a 12 days of spa Advent gift set. Oh, and it does actually have the images of what's inside on the back. If you're looking for a novelty item, here we have some Bluetooth wireless earbuds. We've got Lucky Charms and Cocoa Puffs. And they also have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So they look like little cereal boxes. And it does say that they have 10 hours of playtime. So that's actually really nice. And these are going for $10. And here's something else. This is called Baby Bears. And these are plush wireless headphones. And they're little teddy bears right out over the ears. And here's a little blue one. So they've got the pink and the blue. Super cute. Now there isn't a tag. Most of these are going for $8. So I'm guessing these will be at least $8. If I see them online, I'll check the pricing and let you know what it is. Now, Five Below does tend to have a pretty good collection when it comes to candles. So these are $5.55. These are called Glaze Rose, and this one is called Cloudberries, and this one smells so good. Oh, that smells really nice. And then they've got some other ones here. These say Sparkling Berry. Open that up for you so you can see what it looks like. These are also under the $5.55 price tag, and this one's got cute little clouds right inside the candle. Okay, and if you are thinking about getting a tripod with the little ring light, they have those here too, which is really nice. This is only $15. I know my ring light back home is not $15, and it's nice because it's got the cell phone holder in the middle. This is a great deal. Now, as you can see, they are unboxing a lot of items, so I bet you if I came back in a day or two, they would have a lot more. I just wanted to show you their socks. These are incredibly soft. This is cute. These are called Cozy Crew Socks. Okay, this is super cute. These are $5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start ending this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already done so. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so when that next video comes out, you will be notified. Have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next one.